Dear students, today we shall continue the chapter circles. In the last session, we have done problems related to conjugate points, conjugate lines, pole, polar, card of contact, problems based on these models we have discussed. Now, in continuation to that one, we shall discuss few more problems related to those concepts, and further we will extend our concept to pair of tangents, angle between pair of tangents, and on these models also. Okay, note down the problem. If the points 1 3, if the point 4 2, if the point 4 2 and k minus 3 are conjugate with respect to the circle, the equation given here with respect to the circle, x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0. Then find the value of k. Find the value of k. I repeat the problem. If the points 4 2, k minus 3 are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0, then find the value of k. The condition is, for 2 points to be conjugate with respect to s equal to 0 is S12 equal to 0. What is meant by S12, sir? Let us recollect that one once again. S12 means x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to, that is called S12. Let us write down in expanded version, that is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. That value equal to 0. Under what condition? If the points given here are conjugate. You know x1 value, y1 value, x2 value, y2 value, and circle equation. Substitute x1 x2 4k, y1 y2 minus 6, g minus 5 by 2 into x1 plus x2 4 plus k, f 4 into y1 plus y2 2 minus 3 plus 6 plus c, that is 6 equal to 0. You may ask, sir, how did you obtain g value, f value? Half of x coefficient is g, half of y coefficient is f. So, take up LCM 8k minus 12 minus 5 into k plus 4 plus 8 into 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 2 6 are 12 equal to 0. 8k minus 5k result 3k. Minus 12 minus 20 minus 32 minus 8 minus 40 plus 12 minus 40 plus 12 minus 28 equal to 0. Let us verify. Minus 12 minus 20 minus 32 minus 8 minus 40 minus 40 plus 12 minus 28. Here 8k minus 5k, that is 3k. 3k minus 28 equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to 28 by 3. Value of k will be 28 by 3. Let us verify that one once again. Here, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. G value, this is 2g, this is 2f, this is c. x1, x2, 4 into k, 4k. y1, y2, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus plus g into, what is g, sir? Half of x quotient. Minus 5 by 2 into x1 plus x2, 4 plus k, plus f into, what is f? 4 into y1 plus y2. What is y1 plus y2? 2 minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Then taking up LCM, 2 4s are 8k, 2 6 are 12, minus 5 into k plus 4. Here 2 4s are 8 into 2 minus 3, 2 6 are 12. 8k minus 5k, how much? 3k. Minus 12 minus 20 minus 12 here, minus 20 minus 32 minus 8 minus 40 plus 12. Minus 40 plus 12 is minus 28. 3k minus 28 equal to 0. Therefore, k value will be 28 by 3. So, using this condition S12 equal to 0, we can take up the value, unknown value, which was questioned in the problem. In this problem, k value is to be determined. What we have done here? We applied S12 condition and we equated that one to 0. As a result, we got the value of k. Next problem. Let us take up next problem based on this model only. Okay. Here find the pole of the line. Find the pole of the line. Find the pole of the line 3x plus 4y minus 45 equal to 0 with respect to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. Find the pole of the line, this one, with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 45 plus 5 equal to 0. Here line is given, circle is given. He is asking us to write down the value, find out the value of k. వృత్తం ఇచ్చారు, సరళ రేఖ ఇచ్చారు, మనల్ని ఏం కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు? k విలువని కనుక్కో. కే విలువ కాదు, మనల్ని ఏం కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు? ధ్రువము యొక్క నిరూపకాలను కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు. ఎట్లా చేద్దాం చూడండి. డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేస్తే దిస్ ఈజ్ సర్కిల్, దిస్ ఈజ్ లైన్, లెట్ us say, and here the point P. Line given, to this line this point will be pole, to this point this line will be polar. Now we have to find out that one. Let Px1 y1 be the point, Px1 y1 be the point. S equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. Given polar, okay, let us find out polar. What is the formula of polar? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Let us apply this one. Xx1, what is xx1, sir? Xx1 only. Yy1, yy1 only. G value minus 3 into x plus x1, f value minus 4 into y plus y1 plus 5 equal to 0. Let us segregate the terms. Here x1 minus 3 into x plus y1 minus 4 into y minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5 equal to, that is polar obtained from the equation by applying the formula. What is that formula? S1 equal to 0. Given polar, what is given polar, sir? 3x plus 4y minus 45 equal to 0. This is given polar. Now, if you compare these two, we can get the values of x1 and y1, which are nothing but our coordinates of the pole of the given line. Then how to compare? The process is very simple. That is, comparing means x coefficients ratio, y coefficients ratio, and constant terms ratio. By equating those three, we can get what are x coefficients here? X1 minus 3 by 3 equal to y1 minus 4 by 4 equal to minus of 3x here minus of 3x1 plus 4y1 minus 45 by 3x1 plus 4y1 minus 5 by minus 45. Here minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5. Minus I took common, 3x1 plus 4y1 minus 5. That's what I wrote here. By what is a constant term in the second equation? Minus 40. So ratios are equal. Or how can you say equate these ratios? There is a principle. A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0 are representing same line. Then A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. That's what I applied. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Now, minus minus cancel. Equate first and last. 45 into x1 minus 3 equal to 3 into 3x1 plus 4y1 minus 5. 3 cancelled in 45 by 15 times. 15x1 minus 45 equal to 3x1 plus 4y1 minus 5. 15 minus 3, 12x1 minus 4y1 equal to 45 minus 5, 40. We can cancel 4 in this equation. 3x1 minus y1 equal to 10. This is 1 and 2 we mark. So let us say this is 3. Similarly, equate these two, second and third ratio. 45 into y1 minus 4 equal to 4 3s are 12x1, 16y1 minus 20. 12x1, 16y1 minus 45y1. 45 minus 16, 15 minus 6, 9, 3 minus 1. So, 12x1, 16y1 minus 45y1 minus 29y1 equal to 20 minus 445, 180. 12x1 minus 29y1 equal to minus 1. Let us verify these two equations once again. Here, given line is 3x plus 4y minus, is it 5 or 45? Let us see. 3x plus 4y minus 45. It's right. And given circle is this one. I assume the point as x1, y1. Polar x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. Now, in between these two x common, in between these two y common, and minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5. Given equation is this. Both are representing same equation. Then compare x1 minus 3 by 3, y1 minus 4 by 4, minus common 3x1 plus 4y1 minus 5 by 45. Minus minus cancel. I have equated first and last. 45 into x1 minus 3 equal to 3 into this part I wrote. Then 3 cancelled in 45 by 15 times. 15x1 minus 45 equal to 3x1 plus 4y1 minus 5. Bring all values to one side. Then what happens? 15 minus 3, 12x1 minus 4y1, 45 minus 5, 40. Cancel 4, 3x1 minus y1 equal to 10. That is equation number 3. And equate second and last. 45 into y1 minus 4 equal to 4 into 3, 12x1, 4 into 4, 16y1, 4 into 5, 20. Now, 12x1, 16y1 minus 45y1, 45 minus 16 is 29. 29y1 equal to 45 4s are 180. Minus 180 is here. I took minus 20 to opposite side. So, 20 minus 180. What happens here? Minus 1. Now, from equations 3 and 4, if you solve, you will get x1 value and y1 value. How to solve, sir? Here, prior to equation 3, there is another equation which is a multiple of this one by 4. Let us take up this one. So, 12x1 minus 29y1 equal to minus 160. This equation I copied down. And below that 12x1 minus 4y1 equal to 40. Subtract minus plus minus. Minus 29 plus 4 minus 25y1. This is minus 200. Now y1 equal to 200 by 25, that is 8. Substitute y1 value in equation 3. Substituting in 3. 3x1 minus 8 equal to 10. 3x1 equal to 18. x1 equal to 6. Therefore, pole coordinates are 6, 8. What are the coordinates of poles, sir? 6, 8. This is a normal procedure, but the same problem can be done by taking a elimination process also. There is nothing wrong in taking up elimination process. Whichever we feel convenient, we can apply that one. And all of you must remember one point. In mathematics, normally, any problem can be done a minimum of 3 to 4 number of ways. There is no fixed procedure. అంటే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఏ లెక్కనైనా కూడా సాధారణంగా తక్కువలో తక్కువ 3 నుంచి 4 రకాలుగా చేయొచ్చు. అంచేత ఇక్కడ చెప్పిందే చేయాలా అనేది కాదు. ఇదొక ప్రొసీజర్. ఇది నార్మల్గా అందరూ ఉపయోగించుకునే ప్రొసీజర్. ఇంతకంటే ఈజీగా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఈజీ అన్నాను కానీ ఇంతకంటే వేరే పద్ధతుల్లో కూడా మనం చేసే అవకాశం మనకు ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఈ తర్వాత వచ్చేటటువంటి లెక్కలు మనకి స్పర్శరేఖా యుగ్మము అనే ధర్మానికి లోబడి ఉంటాయి. ఒక్కసారి స్పర్శరేఖా యుగ్మం అంటే ఏంటో మనం చర్చించుకుని దాని మీద వచ్చేటటువంటి లెక్కల జోలికి వెళ్దాం. The next forthcoming problems are mostly based on the concept pair of tangents. Pair of tangents. Let us have a small discussion based on pair of tangents and we shall continue further. What is that one? Suppose this is the circle, let us see. To this circle we have drawn two tangents from an external point. This point is given to you. And here circle equation is also given to you. Point is given to you and circle equation that is also given to you. Then how to find out equation of what is pair of tangent? We are having one principle, that is from an external point two tangents can be drawn. From an external point two tangents can be drawn to any circle. So how to obtain these two tangents equation simultaneously? The formula is, I will write down here, the equation of pair of tangents. Pair of tangents. The equation of pair of tangents. Equation of pair of tangents drawn from equation of pair of tangents drawn from P x1 y1 to s equal to 0. P x1 y1 drawn from P x1 y1 to s equal to 0 is s1 square equal to s into s11. What is it? What is the meaning of that one? Equation of pair of tangents. ఒక వృత్తానికి బాహ్య బిందువు నుండి గీసిన స్పర్శరేఖాయుగ్మము యొక్క సమీకరణము. స్పర్శరేఖాయుగ్మ సమీకరణం అంటే ఏమిటి? ఒక బిందువు నుంచి 2 సరళ రేఖలు స్పర్శరేఖలు గీసాం కాబట్టి ఆ రెండిటికి కూడా ఉమ్మడి సమీకరణం ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని స్పర్శరేఖాయుగ్మ సమీకరణం అంటాం. ఆ స్పర్శరేఖాయుగ్మం యొక్క సమీకరణానికి సూత్రము ఏమవుతుందండి? అది S1 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు SS11. S1 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు SS11. S1 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు SS11. ఆ పాయింట్ని అప్లై చేసి మనం కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇప్పుడు చేద్దాం. ప్రాబ్లం find the equation of pair of tangents drawn from find the equation of pair of tangents drawn from 3 to the circle S equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. S equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. Then how to proceed further? Let us apply this rule. What is meant by S1, sir? Xx1 plus Yy1 plus G into x plus x1 plus F into y plus y1 plus C whole square equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y, or let us write down in the formula x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c into x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. ఇది దీని ఫుల్ ఫామ్ మనం రాసేటటువంటిది. మరి ఇది దీని ఫుల్ ఫామ్ అయినప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాబ్లంకి సంబంధించి దీన్ని ఉపయోగించుకోవటం ఎట్లా ఉపయోగిస్తామండి? ఇది మనకు S అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసు, x1 y1 అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసు. ఆ విలువలని మనం రాసినటువంటి సూత్రంలో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే వచ్చేదే స్పర్శరేఖాయుగ్మ సమీకరణము. అది ఏమిటవుతుందో చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ xx1 అంటే 3x plus 2y minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 2 into x plus 3, 2 into y plus 2 minus 2 whole square. 3x plus 2y minus 3 into x plus 3 plus 2 into y plus 2 minus 2 whole square is equal to ఇచ్చిన వృత్త సమీకరణం రాయండి. x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 into ఇచ్చిన బిందువుని వృత్తంలో ప్రతిక్షేపించండి. ఏమవుతుందండి? 9 plus 4 minus 18 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 2. 9 plus 4 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 minus. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది సార్? మళ్ళీ ఒక్కసారి చూద్దాం. xx1 3x, yy1 2y plus g into minus 3 into x plus x1 x plus 3, 2 into y plus y1 y plus 2 minus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 into ప్రతిక్షేపించండి 9 plus 4 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 2. ఇక్కడ 3x 3x క్యాన్సిల్. ఏం మిగిలిందండి? దిస్ ఇంప్లై 2y plus 2y 4y minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 whole square. 2y minus 9 plus 2y, that is 4y minus 9 minus 9 plus 4 minus 2 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 whole square equal to 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 minus 18 3, 3 minus 2 1 into x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4y minus 7 whole square equal to, expand this one, 16y square plus 49, 2 4s are 8, 8 7s are 56y equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2. మొత్తం ఓ పక్కకి తీసుకురండి. x square minus 15y square minus 6x 56 plus 4 60y minus 2 minus 49, that is minus 51 equal to 0. This represents pair of tangents drawn from an external point to the given circle.